Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, natural gas and LNG, this week's main drivers and the look ahead. In today's article, we've got an image from the EIA showing the U.S. natural gas storage filling up quite reasonably. This week, the U.S. natural gas market turned sharply bearish following a strong U.S. Energy Information Administration, or EIA, storage report showing a plus 103 BCF injection, well above expectations and the 5-year average. Inventories rose to 2.063 BCF, or TCF, excuse me, now 137 BCF above normal, reinforcing a loose near-term balance. Canadian production continues to push record highs, adding incremental supply pressure into an already well-supplied North American market. Globally, Wheatstone LNG returned to full operations after the cyclone disruptions, restoring Pacific supply. On the U.S. Gulf Coast, Golden Pass LNG marked a milestone with its first commissioning cargo, although full commercial ramp remains ahead. Geopolitical risk tied to Iran continues to underpin global gas optionality. In Europe, storage refill efforts remain uneven as the bloc targets 80% fullness by November. Meanwhile, Kinder Morgan projects U.S. demand reaching 150 BCF by 2030-2032, driven in part by data center and power load growth. Operationally, pipeline constraints persist. Kinder Morgan's Southern Natural Gas issued a Type 6 OFO for long imbalances, while West Texas pricing softened on weak demand and takeaway limits. The look ahead for next week. Mild U.S. weather should support another strong injection. Additional commissioning activity at Golden Pass LNG is expected, with a second cargo loading likely. Project momentum remains firm. Woodside Energy is advancing its Louisiana LNG development, while Cheniere Energy's Corpus Christi expansion progresses toward full capacity. Coastal Azul LNG Phase 1 is on track for startup this summer. Seasonally, El Nino conditions may support a warmer European summer, easing power burn and aiding injections ahead of winter. The bottom line, near-term fundamentals remain soft on strong supply and mild weather. But structurally, LNG growth, power demand, and AI-driven data center load continue to tighten the long-term outlook. What's your take on this week's storage print and LNG trajectory? You can learn more in the links we've included in the article. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.